Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get cheap PC parts on MicroCenter's Black Friday deals. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open up the MicroCenter's application or simply head over to your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in MicroCenter, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account by simply tapping on the sign in option on the top of your screen. Then next is to knowing when MicroCenter's November or Black Friday sale happens. MicroCenter runs an early Black Friday deal guide with many PC component discounts live before Black Friday. According to Reddit users, some of the best deals come in weeks before Black Friday, not necessarily on the day itself. The next is to simply head over and choose the components that you want. As you can see, the components already have the discounted price as well, and you have saved $1 from it as well. Then leverage CPU or motherboard or RAM bundles as well. MicroCenter is known for combo deals from CPU, motherboard and RAM bundles. These bundles often save more than buying the components individually. Bundles may be in-store only, so check local inventory or reserve online and pick up in-store. During Black Friday or November sales, bundles are especially likely to be discounted. Then what you need to do next is simply head over and go to the home page of the MicroCenter or simply tap on the Black Friday deals right here, and then you'll be prompted to the Black Friday deals or the products that are listed for the Black Friday deals. All you gotta do now is check it and then simply add it to the cart, or if you want to pay it, simply tap on buy now by simply selecting the product and then proceed to the checkout and follow the on-screen prompts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.